The Sacker Silicone Caulking Tool is a versatile 3-in-1 solution for various caulking tasks. It combines a silicone smoother, flat-angle scraper, and internal angle scraper. This durable tool handles tasks like old caulk removal, smooth application of fresh caulk, gap repairs, glue residue cleaning, and new silicone application. It is user-friendly, easy to clean, and a valuable addition for any homeowner. Goldblatt glass tile nippers are a valuable tool for precise glass tile cutting. They feature 2 carbide scoring wheels for clean and easy scoring of glass tiles up to 1/4 inch thick. The non-slip handles provide comfort and control, making them ideal for tasks like fitting glass tiles around obstacles, creating glass mosaics, and crafting unique glass tile shapes. These nippers are constructed from high-quality drop-forged steel, offering durability, and come with an ergonomic soft grip handle for reduced hand fatigue. They also feature a safety lock to prevent accidental injuries. Always wear safety glasses, exercise caution, and use these nippers on dry, non-slip surfaces. The Klein Tool's Impact Punchdown tool is an essential tool for efficiently terminating data cables into 66 1/110ths panels and blocks. Its spring-loaded design provides quick and low-effort seating and terminating, while selectable impact force settings conform to industry standards. The cushioned non-slip handle ensures comfort and control during use. This versatile tool is compatible with various data cables, including Cat3, Cat5e, and Cat6/6A, and works with most punch-down blades from different manufacturers. Constructed with durable metal injection molding, it's a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts seeking long-lasting performance in cable termination. The Zenith Industries Floor Lifter is a versatile hand tool designed for efficiently removing various materials, such as flooring, siding, trim, and more. It features an integrated wedge that aids in prying up materials and breaking their bond with the underlying surface. This tool can be used on a wide range of materials, including wood, ceramic tile, vinyl siding, and popcorn ceilings. Made of durable heat-treated steel, the floor lifter comes with a comfortable grip handle and an extension handle for reaching tricky areas or applying more force. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts and homeowners, saving time and effort on demolition and remodeling projects. The Rapid RP40 Multipurpose Hand Riveter with Multi-Nozzle is a versatile and user-friendly tool designed for various riveting applications, making it particularly useful for tasks involving sheet metal, automotive panels, and other materials. What sets the RP40 Multi apart is its unique multi-nozzle system, allowing it to work with rivets of different sizes and materials without the need for nozzle changes. This feature not only saves time, but also makes it an excellent choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. The Hoto laser measurement tool is a portable and highly precise device, capable of measuring distances, areas, and volumes with a range of up to 98 feet and an accuracy of 2 mm. It offers seamless Bluetooth connectivity to the MI Home app for data storage, sharing, floor plan creation, and unit conversion. Whether you're a professional contractor estimating jobs, a DIY enthusiast planning projects, or a homeowner handling everyday tasks, such as measuring furniture or hanging pictures, this tool simplifies the process with its easy-to-use features and ensures accurate results. The Aors Universal Multi-Position Lug Wrench is a versatile and durable tool designed for the removal and installation of lug nuts on various vehicles. Crafted from heat-treated chrome vanadium steel, its unique 2-piece sliding design allows for multi-position adjustment, making it adaptable for accessing lug nuts in challenging locations. The inclusion of a 1/2-inch drive socket adapter enables compatibility with different sockets, including impact sockets, enhancing its versatility. Its compact, collapsible design reduces its length to 26 inches for convenient storage in a vehicle, and it comes with a protective storage pouch. The Steinleck DW404 electric hydraulic threaded rod cutter is a portable and user-friendly tool built for cutting M8, M10, and M12 mild steel and stainless steel hooker rod. Its versatility makes it suitable for both factory and on-site applications, ensuring clean cuts on both sides of the rod without harming the threads. Powered by an electric motor, it offers enhanced convenience and efficiency compared to manual threaded rod cutters. The inclusion of a locking pin system facilitates rapid switching and changing of cutting dies, further streamlining the cutting process. The WORX ZipSnip cordless electric scissors is a versatile handheld tool designed for cutting various materials, including paper, plastic, cloth, and leather. It features a rotating blade that ensures precise and clean cuts, and it boasts a self-sharpening mechanism to maintain sharpness over time. The tool is battery-powered, equipped with a rechargeable 4-volt max lithium battery, ensuring cordless operation without the hassle of cords or wires. With its lightweight design and user-friendly textured grip zone handle, it minimizes user fatigue during use. Additionally, a safety switch is included to prevent accidental cutting, enhancing safety while working. The joint bridge clamping pad set from Woodpeckers consists of 12 robust clamping pads made from glass-reinforced polycarbonate. These pads are designed to aid woodworkers in achieving flatter and straighter glue-ups. The joint bridges work by concentrating clamping pressure to individually align each joint, preventing issues such as cupping, bowing, or twisting during the glue-up process. These clamping pads are straightforward to use. Position one pad beneath the joint and another on top, then proceed to clamp the boards as usual. The joint bridges effectively distribute clamping pressure across the joint, resulting in a smoother and more even glue-up. The Aors 4-in-1 quick change tubing bender pliers are a versatile and durable tool for bending various types of tubing with precision and ease. With the ability to accommodate tubing diameters of 3 16-inch, 1 4-inch, 5 16-inch, and 3 8-inch, they can create bends of up to 90 degrees. These pliers feature a robust steel construction, a precision-machined aluminum mandrel, and a durable finish for long-lasting performance. The cushioned handles ensure a comfortable and secure grip during use. The No-Easy heavy-duty ratchet wire cutter is a versatile and robust tool designed for cutting various electrical wires, including copper and aluminum cables up to 240 square millimeters in size. Its key feature is the ratcheting mechanism, which facilitates one-handed operation and reduces the effort required for cutting. The tool is also equipped with a comfortable rubber grip and a retractable handle for added convenience. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability and a long lifespan. The ASA Tools CSB wire stripper and cutter is a versatile heavy-duty tool designed for wire stripping and cutting. It features double blades that ensure clean and precise cuts, making it suitable for various wire sizes, including AWG 10 to 24 and both solid and stranded wire. The tool's ergonomic grip provides comfort and control during use, and its spring-loaded jaws simplify wire stripping. It also offers adjustable blade depth for different wire insulation thicknesses and a safety lock to prevent accidental cuts. Matco Tools ProCharge offers a range of rechargeable lighting and wireless charging products designed for professional mechanics, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. The ProCharge lineup includes work lights, flashlights, floodlights, and smart charge pads, all of which are wirelessly rechargeable and packed with features like adjustable brightness, long run times, durable construction, and magnetic mounting bases. The wireless charge pads are compatible with ProCharge lights and most smartphones, offering Quick Charge 3.0 technology for fast charging and the convenience of dual magnetic bases for secure attachment. Thank you for tuning in to our video showcasing the top tech tools. If you enjoyed it, please show your support by hitting the like button and subscribing to our channel for more amazing content like this.